Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Well, I've had a fantastic week. Today I'm coming to you with a new song and a new topic or two. Oh, and I also have an update on a topic I spoke of several weeks ago, actually. So without further ado, away we go. So this week, I am going to sing Heartbreak Hotel by Whitney Houston. I hope you guys enjoy this song. I know I will. So, I'm feeling inspired to sing this song this week. So, without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Heartbreak Hotel. This is the Heartbreak Hotel. Heartbreak Hotel. This is the Heartbreak Hotel. You said you'd be here by 9, but instead you took your time. You didn't think to call me, no. Here I sit, trying not to cry, asking myself why you threw this to me, no. But since you're not around for me to tell you, baby, face to face, I'm writing you this letter, and this is what I have to say. All I really wanted was some of your time, but you were somewhere else on your mind. You know what you did to me. You know what you did to me. Oh, baby. I thought that you were someone who could do me right, but you played with my emotions and you made me cry. You know what you did to me. Look what you did to me. Oh, baby. Now I see what you've been doing wrong. You played me all along and made a fool of me, baby. You got it all wrong to think that I wouldn't find out. You were cheating on me, baby. How can you do it to me? But since you're not around for me to tell you, baby, face to face, I'm writing you this letter, and this is what I have to say, yeah. All I really wanted was some of your time, but you had somewhere else on your mind. You know what you did to me. Look what you did to me, oh baby. I thought that you were someone who would treat me right, but you played with my emotions and you made me cry. You know what you did to me. Look what you did to me. This is the Heartbreak Hotel. 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 So I'm writing you this letter, and this is what I had to say, yeah. All I really wanted was some of your time, and you played with my emotions and you made me cry. So look what you did to me. You know what you did to me, oh baby. I thought that you were someone who could do me right, but you played with my emotions and you made me cry. So look what you did to me. No, look what you did to me. I cannot take it no more. I cannot take it no more, no. I can't take it no more, no. I can't take it no more. No, no. No, 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 no. This is a Heartbreak Hotel. This is the Heartbreak Hotel. This is the Heartbreak Hotel. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's song. I know I had a lot of fun singing it for you. So please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please and thank you. And hit that subscribe button. Please and thank you. So, without further ado, let's get into today's topic. So, I'm going to talk about another restaurant review. So this past Thursday, I went to a place called Rutter's for supper. It was to celebrate the birthdays of my dad's friends. They get together once a month and we go out to eat. So we went to Rutter's on Thursday evening. I had mozzarella sticks and homemade lasagna. And I had something for dessert. Cheesecake. Italian gal's dream, huh? So if you're looking for a place to eat, I recommend that you go to Rutter's. Now, you're probably thinking, is she ever going to give a bad review about a restaurant? You just never know. But I want to focus on the positives. So, yeah. So, if you're looking for a place to eat, go to Rutter's. And that's all I have about that. So, today, this is called Sailing Dreams 2.0. Yep. This segment, anyway. So, this topic speaks of other videos that I've made about this. So, last night I was sleeping, and I had a dream that I was working in a ferry terminal on the other side of the water, and you had to take a ferry boat to get there. So I would have to take a ferry boat to get to my work. Now keep in mind that this is what I was dreaming about last night. It's not actually true. But it goes back to my topic of good dreams and sailing and ferry boats. Previous topics. And when I wake up in the morning, it feels great because I've had a good night's sleep and I've had a great dream. Yep, I love dreaming about ferry boats. I don't know why, but they're one of my favorite dreams to have. So, without further ado, let's wrap up this video. So, what do I do for work? Well, I work at a drugstore. I work on the front cash, putting objects or items into bags for people. Yep. I've been with this particular drugstore for 13 years. And when they hired me, I was still in high school. But I wanted a job. I wanted to be normal like everybody else. That's what I wanted. Yep. Just like everybody else. I wanted a job so I could buy nice things and have my own money. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I do my job when I have low vision or no sight at all? Well, you adapt. Yep. Now, a person I'm working with on cash will tell me what the particular object is. And then I will do my thing of putting it in the bag and yeah, all that kind of good stuff. I like to smile. Be polite. Yep. I like to make people happy, so yeah. So that's what I do for work. Yep. I've been with this particular drugstore for 13 years. And it's been a fun 13 years, and I'm still having fun now. And I love my job. They've given me things that nobody else can give me. Like a sense of pride and joy. And other things that go along with the job, so yeah. And I love everybody that I work with. And my boss, too. Well, I hope you guys liked today's video. Please give it a thumbs up. And please hit that subscribe button. Please and thank you. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter if you like. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Oh, and please, no disrespectful comments. Thank you. Well, I've had a fantastic day with you all. But it's time for me to go. You guys are awesome, wonderful, and lovely. Yep. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, just in case I forgot. Again, you guys are awesome, wonderful, and lovely. And I will see you guys next week with a brand new song and a brand new topic. So, for now, I'm going to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.